Once upon a time, in a neglected neighborhood called Elmwood, there lived a community of people who had lost hope. The once vibrant streets were now filled with dilapidated buildings, broken sidewalks, and a sense of despair. But amidst the gloom, a group of passionate individuals known as the Urban Renewal Project emerged, determined to bring change and breathe life back into their community. The Urban Renewal Project was led by a young woman named Maya, who had grown up in Elmwood and witnessed its decline firsthand. She believed that with dedication, hard work, and the power of unity, they could transform their neighborhood into a thriving hub once again. Maya gathered her neighbors, friends, and even strangers who shared her vision. Together, they formed a diverse team with different skills and talents, all working towards a common goal. Their first step was to identify the key areas that needed attention. They assessed the broken infrastructure, lack of public spaces, and the absence of businesses. With unwavering determination, Maya and her team began to mobilize the community. They organized regular town hall meetings, inviting residents to voice their concerns, ideas, and aspirations. Through these meetings, they discovered that hidden within the worn-down streets were countless untapped talents and passions. The Urban Renewal Project decided to focus on fostering economic growth by empowering local entrepreneurs and small businesses. They created workshops and training programs to provide aspiring business owners with the skills and knowledge needed to succeed. Maya believed that by nurturing the talents within their community, they could build a stronger foundation for economic stability. As time went on, Elmwood started to change. Abandoned buildings were transformed into vibrant art galleries, cafes, and boutiques. The streets, once barren, were now adorned with colorful murals and flower-filled planters. Parks and playgrounds were revitalized, attracting families from all around. But the Urban Renewal Project's impact extended far beyond the physical transformation. The community became a tight-knit network of support, where neighbors looked out for one another and worked together for the greater good. New friendships blossomed, and a spirit of inclusivity thrived. Word of Elmwood's remarkable revitalization spread far and wide, attracting visitors and investors who saw the potential for growth. The neighborhood became a shining example of what could be achieved through determination and a collective vision. Maya and her team were hailed as heroes, but they remained humble, knowing that the real heroes were the resilient people of Elmwood who never gave up on their dreams. The story of the Urban Renewal Project serves as a powerful reminder that no community is beyond hope. With unity, passion, and a shared purpose, any neglected neighborhood can be transformed into a vibrant, inclusive, and economically thriving place. It's a tale of resilience, creativity, and the enduring spirit of the human heart.